How crazy is this game? You make the 50-footer at 10, you miss the 6-footer at 11, and then you knew that 38-footer at 12 was in the moment you hit it.
You know, yeah, I mean, you said it. I mean, it's crazy. You know, these greens aren't easy to putt. You got to get lucky sometimes, and I got just that today.
You're a great putter, though. Is there something you can take from here and take it to June in the U.S. Open in anything you learned this week?
Well, I mean, I think it's going to play totally different. I don't think the green's going to be as soft. Rough is going to be a little thicker. I don't think it's going to play any similarity on this golf course. I mean, I'm looking forward to coming back. I still got to qualify, but I definitely would love to come back and play as well.
You took us on a fun ride today. 9 birdies. I mean, and every time you had a bogey, you answered.
Yeah, you know, my goal starting the day obviously was not so much the winning, because the tournament was pretty much over with Tiger, you know, having 8-shot, 9-shot lead. But my goal was to finish, you know, second place, and I did just that, I think. So it was a fun ride. I mean, you know, 9 birdies on this golf course is just, you know, crazy. I mean, I don't think I've ever done that.
This is a lot more nicer second than the one in Atlanta last year, isn't it? This is a fun one, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's definitely a great second place. You know, it's always not much fun losing in the playoffs, but you know, come back and finish in second, and you know, the tournament was pretty much over going in, so it was a great finish.